It's the CalDigit Thunderbolt 4 USB element hub. I am very excited about this. I've had some USB issues, and so I'm hoping that this is going to be the magic that's going to help me. I have some older USB hubs that I think are just not up to par for what I'm trying to do, and with an M1 Mac Mini, there's not a lot of electrical power, not a lot of wattage. It sips power so well, and so it does not use very much energy at all. And so here I am. I've bought this element hub. I just need a hub that's going to give power, and this is supposed to do 150 watts of power. It has 4 USB-A ports that are USB 3.1, and it has 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports. And yes, the Mac Mini is Thunderbolt 3, but it's backward compatible, so it's not going to be an issue. So let's unbox and see what it looks like. Okay, so I got a thank you from CalDigit. How exciting! Oh, I get 20% off features and accessories. I may need it. We'll see. I have an Apple adapter that does Thunderbolt to HDMI, and so probably okay with that. But I may need to go break down. I hope not. I hope this is going to be exactly what I think it is. And this is very heavy. This whole box is very heavy. I'm just going to tell you that. When I got it, I was like, wow, that is not your usual hub. That is really light. As always, I'm having trouble opening things, so I'm the worst unboxing video. No, it's actually really cool. So come on, let's go. I just want you out of the package, please. Pretty please, out of the package. It shouldn't be hard. So as you can see, I'm definitely just not opening the package. All right, come on. Ta-da! Okay, finally got it out. Whew, that was a challenge. And there's silver cards in there too. Hey, what did I say? TBT4. What hub? Okay. Quick start guide. Ooh, there's a quick start guide. Quick start guide. Hold up a little bit closer. Wow, I'm having some light issues here, which is a little too bright for you to be able to see, but it just says basically it's reversible. Okay. And here is basically the legs that could go underneath the CalDigit, if you want to have like gliders. It's basically just rubber things that go on the bottom in the center sections, because this is, you can have it either way. You can go this way or this way. Notice they were smart, put the logo each side, so you can flip flop it any way you want. So here is my I presume this is the Thunderbolt 4 cable that comes with it. It's a short one, but it's fine. It's exactly what I need. And power, and the 150 watt power brick. That's exciting to me. Alright, and so I'm gonna move the box out of the way. Let's do the unveiling here. Again, people don't like me to open their stuff, and so they seal it really tight. No, okay. Alright, this looks easy. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. I can do it. Awesome. Alright, here we go. So here we go. Here we go. Now, what I love about this one is it has a dedicated port, a dedicated Thunderbolt port. So this is the one that does the input into your Mac, into the Thunderbolt 3 or Thunderbolt 4 port you have. And then here are all the cool Thunderbolt 4 ports. They can be used as USB-C, so that's cool. And then here on the other side, there is the USB-A ports, but they are thankfully USB 3.1. So that is fantastic. I'm excited about that. And with a 150 watt power supply, I'm hoping this puppy puts out the power I need. So there's excitement. All right, that's your unboxing. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Bye.